Exodus Wallet Chrome Extension App. The pros, the cons. The Exodus Wallet Chrome Extension App has taken one of Crypto's most popular desktop wallets and made it browser-friendly. But is this sleek extension as secure and powerful as its full app version? Let's break down the surprising truth. First, the pros. Exodus is known for its beautiful design and simplicity, and the Chrome extension continues that legacy. It allows users to store, send, and receive dozens of cryptocurrencies directly from their browser, without ever touching a centralized exchange. This gives users complete control over their private keys, keeping assets in their own hands. One of its standout features is multi-chain support. The extension connects seamlessly with major blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Avalanche. You can swap tokens across these networks without leaving the app, thanks to the built-in decentralized exchange. Another strong advantage is integration. The Chrome extension syncs effortlessly with Exodus desktop and mobile apps, letting users manage their portfolio anywhere, anytime. This cross-platform flexibility makes it one of the easiest wallets for beginners who want security without sacrificing convenience. On the security side, the extension uses local encryption, meaning private keys never leave your device. It's a non-custodial wallet, so Exodus never has access to your funds. But what about the cons? Like most browser-based wallets, Exodus Chrome extension depends on browser security. That means phishing attacks or malicious extensions could still pose risks if users aren't careful. Another drawback is limited advanced features compared to other wallets like MetaMask. While Exodus supports dApps, it doesn't yet have the same deep ecosystem integrations or NeFi management tools car users might want. And finally, because Exodus is closed source, some in the crypto community prefer open source alternatives for full transparency. In conclusion, the Exodus Chrome extension app combines elegance, speed, and multi-chain power in one clean interface. It's perfect for everyday crypto users and investors who value simplicity. Just remember, with great convenience comes the responsibility of keeping your browser secure.